Today we're going to be talking about this eval board from Analog Devices. It's an EVAL-LT8350. It can go up to 40 volts input. It can output up to 18 volts out. It's a 6 amp synchronous buck boost silent switcher regulator. I've got it hooked up right now, so we're going to be applying some input voltage on this side and then on the output side. So we're going to be varying anywhere from 9 volts to up to 36 volts if you wanted to. And then on the right side, we'll be seeing 12 volts coming out of this device. So let's take a look at that and see how it's going to operate. All right, so what I've got is I'm going to put in, we'll start with 9 volts input, and we're going to turn on our 9 volt input power supply. We can see that the output is producing 12 volts, and I'm going to have a 1 amp electronic load turned on when I hit the on button. Okay, so you turn that on, and we're providing about 12 watts coming in and coming out. We've got a little less wattage over there. There's some efficiency losses in the switcher. Also, this cable here on the electronic load is dropping some voltage. So over here on these pins, that is 12 volts there. But by the time you get up to the electronic load, it drops down to 11.5. Better cabling will get us right on to the 12 volt number. So anyway, we're coming in at 9 volts and we're coming out at 12. And then if we brought the input voltage up and brought it up to, let's say, 20 volts. So we got 20 volts coming in. We still have our 12 volts coming out. We're still coming out at our 1 amp of current into the electronic load. So the wattage is pretty much the same. And the only thing you'll notice, the input current is going down as the voltage goes up. So that is how this particular eval board is working here. And then we're going to look at the documentation next. Okay, here's the documentation for the eval board. It's got a nice little write-up, user's guide. This is a picture of what the eval board looks like. And here's the performance summary of what's going on with this eval kit. And then it shows you how to hook up your volt and amp meters for testing purposes. And then if we want to look at the data sheet, this is kind of what the circuit looks like. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so this is what the circuitry looks like. Over here we got our input. Over there we got our output. We're sensing the current going through that current sense resistor to be able to limit the amount of power and max current leaving the output. Here are some of the features that are associated with this particular device. And it is showing AEC Q100 qualification is in progress at this particular point. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.